Hey guys, geek into everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 26. So let's start. Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna start with checking my plan. Okay, let's see. Today is day number 26. The topic is Introduction to Machine Learning using libraries like scikit-learn for basic machine learning tasks. Okay, what I'm gonna do is copy this topic and I open ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT bot to provide information for my topic with practical examples. So, okay, I'm gonna paste my topic and remove these words. These practical examples. So press enter. So, and we are waiting for reply. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT finished reply, and I'm gonna zoom it in. Okay, so introduction to machine learning using libraries like scikit-learn for basic machine learning tasks. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that allow computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It involves the study of statistical models and algorithms that enable systems to learn from and make predictions or take actions based on the input data. Okay. Scikit-learn, also known as a sklearn, is a popular Python library for machine learning. It provides a wide range of tools and functionalities for various machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. In this introduction, we will explore some basic machine learning tasks using scikit-learn along with practical examples. So point number 1, classification. Classification is the process of assigning a label or class to a given input based on its features. Scikit-learn provides several classification algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree, and support vector machines. Here's an example of how to use logistic regression for classification. So, and here is an example from this code. You import some modules and libraries. Then you load data set by this code. Then you split data into training and testing sets by this code. Then you create and train the model by this code. Then you make predictions by this code. Then you evaluate accuracy by this code. Okay. Point number 2, regression. Regression is a machine learning task that predicts a continuous numeric value based on the input features. Scikit-learn offers various regression algorithms such as linear regression, random forests, and gradient boosting. Here's an example of how to use linear regression for regression. And here's example from this code. You import libraries and models, certain models, what you want to use on this code, and then you load dataset by this code. Then you split data into training and testing sets by this code. Then you create and train the model by this code. Then you make predictions by this code. Then you evaluate mean squared error by this code. Point number 3, clustering. Clustering is the task of grouping similar instances together based on their features. Scikit-learn provides various clustering algorithms, including k-means, dbscan, and hierarchical clustering. Here is an example of using k-means clustering. Okay, this code, you import certain modules from the libraries you want to use. Then you load dataset by this code. Then you scale the features by this code. Then you create and feed the model by this code. Then you get the cluster labels by this code. These examples provide a brief overview of using scikit-learn for basic machine learning tasks. Scikit-learn offers many more algorithms and functionalities for advanced machine learning tasks. Exploring the official scikit-learn documentation and tutorials can provide further guidance and understanding of its capabilities. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I recommend you to open ChatGPT and ask chatbot to provide some extra information for these topics. So, and I see you on the next videos. See you. Ciao, ciao.